Nicolas, kami nga agdang Damili nga ragsak idali, awan tugtuguti, lumagpayatut manglalais kadang kami, tanapalawkang nga agdang Damili. Tay na tiket talaga, darat lama sentong kelen tatap no nagkebek ket na nakalai ket lang nga intay bibire.
After surviving the fires in Lahaina, Hawaii, Paulina, now a widow, returns to her roots in San Nicolas to embark on a nostalgic journey back to her Agdam Damili days. She reunites with Pedrin, her persistent suitor from years gone by. Their love story was then reunited with the vibrant spirit of this festival. In the heart of the centuries-old pottery industry lies the Municipality of San Nicolas, where the story of a widow named Paulina unfolds. She's an elderly woman who in her youth bravely entered into an arranged marriage with a Hawaiiano with hopes to secure her future and the well-being of her parents. Now in her 70s, she often finds herself longing for the care of her loved ones and reminiscing about the life she lived in her old hometown. However, her only child, now a devoted and successful nurse, has been living in a beautiful place and raising her own family. Nevertheless, she was forced to return to her hometown after the nursing home she had been living in was devastated by the Lahaina wildfires in 2023. Despite the tragedy that led to her homecoming, there's still a feeling of anticipation about it all. A feeling that perhaps fate has a better plan for her. As she makes her way back to where she grew up, she can't help but feel a mix of emotions. However, Nana Paulina's journey back home was indeed filled with positivity and love as she reunited with her loyal suitor, Pedrin. Tipudno nga ayat ket saan pulos agpuka. The Damili Festival of San Nicolas.
Okay lang.
Ikaligatan kay Suli para